Today, we are updating our deep dive into the wet performances of two leading contenders in the 2024 Auto Build Summer Tire Test, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 and the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus. Let's get right into the details and see if there's a clear winner in rainy conditions. Let's start with wet braking. The Michelin Primacy 4 Plus has a slight edge, stopping at just 0.3 meters shorter than the Bridgestone Turanza 6F. It's a small but potentially significant difference when it comes to safety. Moving on to wet handling, which tests how well the tires maintain control under wet conditions, both are equally matched. The Bridgestone Turanza 6 comes out so slightly ahead with a speed advantage of 0.2 km per hour compared to Michelin Primacy 4 Plus. Switching gears to dry conditions, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus slightly outshines the Bridgestone Turanza 6. It stops a mere 0.6 meters shorter in dry braking tests and also maintains a slight edge in handling, with a faster average speed. Durability is key for any tire, and here the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus takes a solid lead, lasting over 38,000 kilometers, which is 4,500 kilometers more than the Turanza 6. Additionally, the Turanza 6 is quieter by 1.4 decibels, which can definitely make your ride smoother and more pleasant. Lastly, let's talk about efficiency. The Bridgestone Turanza 6 edges out with lower rolling resistance, which might translate to slightly better fuel economy over long distances. So, which tire should you choose? If you're looking for longevity and a quieter ride, Michelin Primacy 4 Plus seems to be the superior choice, despite its higher price point. However, for those prioritizing fuel efficiency, Bridgestone Turanza 6 might be the way to go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.